Here's another look at the Vashon Arrival, a procedure used for VFR traffic inbound from the west at Boeing Field when runways 32 are in use. It's a scenic but challenging arrival because you must remain clear of the Class Bravo airspace that surrounds Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, which is only about 5 nautical miles south of Boeing Field, and fit into the flow of both VFR and IFR traffic at busy Boeing Field, as you can see in this replay of my track created at flystow.net. In the summer of 2025, operations at Boeing Field are more complicated for both pilots and the controllers in the tower, because the short runway 14 left 32 right is closed for construction and not available as a relief valve when things get busy, as they did on this day.
Runway 32 right closed. Taxi Alpha between Alpha 2 and Alpha 5 closed aircraft with wingspan more than 100 feet. Taxiway Alpha 2, Alpha 3, Alpha 4, Alpha 5, and Alpha 8 closed. Work in progress. Heavy equipment between Taxiway Alpha 3 and Alpha 5. Taxiway Alpha centerline markings between Alpha 3 and Alpha 5 not standard. Bird advisories are in effect. VFR departures say we're out of flight. All aircraft are required to read back hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have Zulu.
Zulu.
Boeing Field information Zulu 2153 Zulu observation. Wind 300 at 12. Visibility 10. Skies clear below 12,000. Temperature 23. Dew point 9er. Altimeter 3005. ILS approach runway 32 left in use. Landing and departing runway 32 left.
Boeing Tower Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot approaching north tip of Vashon. Information Zulu, full stop.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, fly the Vashon Arrival. You're following Cessna about 3 miles ahead.
We're slowing down, we'll fly the Vashon Arrival, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
Number 5, was that 58 Romeo? 58 Romeo, hold short, only 32 left, Alpha 9.
We have the Cessna ahead in sight.
46 Foxtrot, roger. Wind Cessna 0 Papa, runway 32 left, clear to land, wind 31013. Eastern Air 9031, where are you parking?
Modern Aviation.
Air 9031, left at Bravo 3, left turn on Bravo, contact ground now.
Bravo 3, Bravo. Contact ground. Eastern 9031. Thank you.
Cessna 165, you're following the twin Cessna approaching right base, reporting your traffic in sight.
Looking for traffic, 165. Boeing Tower, traffic in sight, 165.
165, number 2, runway 32 left, clear to land, 131012.
32 left, number 2, clear to land. 165.
That's 46 Foxtrot, number 3, runway 32 left, clear to land, 131012.
Clear to land, 32 left, behind the Cessna there, 46 Foxtrot.
Boeing Tower, Swift 2457, Bravo's ready to go Alpha 2.
With 57 Bravo, Boeing Tower, hold short, runway 32 left, Alpha 10, stay direction flight.
Holding short, 32 left, Alpha 10, 57 Bravo's blank departure.
Boeing Tower, Mirage 4188 Delta, 1900 over Vashon with Yankee for landing.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, looks like they got a Pilatus inbound on the visual, going pretty fast, so just extend downwind, I'll point them out.
Okay, we'll extend the downwind now, 46 Foxtrot.
Cessna 165, turn base when able.
Base turn, 165.
Raj 88 Delta, Boeing Tower, fly the Vashon.
88 Delta, Vashon Arrival. Boeing Tower, right 40 Alpha Golf, visual approach 32 left.
Pilatus 840 Alpha Golf, Boeing Tower, number 2 behind Cessna left base, runway 32 left, clear to land, 131012.
Clear to land, 32 left, 0 Alpha Golf.
Zero Papa Papa, where are you parking? Zero Papa Papa, right at Alpha 9, ground 1 off.
Okay, we're on the downwind, 3 green approach flaps, mixtures ridge props back, hold at about 90 knots here.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, the Pilatus slowed down, so you can turn base. They're on a 3-mile final, runway 32 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 32 left, turn at base now, 46 Foxtrot.
Zero Alpha Golf, you're now number 2 behind the Bonanza, 11 o'clock, 2 miles on the left base, turn at 700.
Number 2, 0 Alpha Golf.
165, left at Bravo 7, ground 1 off.
Left Bravo 7 over to ground,
green, full
165.
flaps, mixtures ridge prop to come.
We go west side midfield hangars.
46 Foxtrot, rider.
Crosswind from the left, 3 green.
Or 6 Foxtrot, left at Bravo 5, ground 1 off.
Left at Bravo 5, then ground, 46 Foxtrot.
Raj 88 Delta, you're following Pilatus, 1 mile final, report in sight.
88 Delta, roger, number 2 looking for the traffic. Oh, 88 Delta has the Pilatus in sight.
88 Delta, number 2, runway 32 left, clear to land, 131012.
88. Ground Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot's clear, Bravo 5, taxi midfield hangars.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Boeing ground taxi to midfield hangars via Bravo.
Midfield via Bravo 46 Foxtrot.
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you.